do some crafts first, then the bake. Welcome back to my channel. We are baking 2 more bakes. We are trying to make my auntie's at school pudding, my favourites. The first one is a Oats chocolate slice. These are the ingredients you will need: flour, oats, sugar, cocoa, and I think this is melted, what is it called again? Oh, I know, butter. And the oven on 180°C. You also need a bowl and a spoon for mixing up the ingredients. I'm going to start with flour. I already did that. Then, I don't know what these. What's this? Oats. I know these. Let me just go in and smash it in. Sugar next. It smells so good. It smells like ice cream. Well, that was my new bowl I had for my birthday. Last month it was my birthday. I'm 6. Now give it a really good mix. I'm stronger now. Piece of cake. Ask your adult to get a baking tray. Thanks, adult. Now pour it in, adult, please. Now I'm going to squash it down this way. Now it's flat, bang it in the oven for 20 minutes. Excuse me, I just needed a burp. Now on to the second recipe. These are the ingredients you need for Aussie slice. Cocoa, that's the first one. Sugar. This is one of my cereals, yeah. Flakes, I remember them. Ooh, they're so yummy. I just want to eat one. And then there's melted butter. And let me feel it. Oh, I don't know what the other last one. Oh, coconut. Get your adult to rinse the cornflakes. Also, we need some oats. Now drag your bowl and the spoon in the middle of you. Then put everything in. So, smell test. Sugar. That's so yummy. And also, oh, I need to remember again. I have a thick brain. Coconut, I remember. Yeah. Now to get the oats sorted. Oops, I forgot the flour. Add the flour and mix it really well. Alright. Stand, go on my knees for this. Good. Now it's time to mix it up. Oh, my hand is aching right now. Now get your adult to get another baking tray. Adult, you put that there like you drank an invisible potion. Now it's smashing down again. Just like the first one, we need to push it down real hard, like a Tauros. Now we're banging it in the oven for 30 minutes. Now I'm going to get my handy dandy Pokebook right here. I want to show you the pictures. These are the Pokemon. The one head. Oh, I know this one. Mudkip. Alright, time to read. Oh, adult, can you give me some milk, please? Thanks, adult. Do you know what this one? I beat this one on my Nintendo Switch. I think it was on Pokemon Shield. And I beat it. Do you know what? My Subtle evolved so fast. And also he's really OP. Do you know what? He can smash a Vulpix. A fire one. Because it's a water type and it's really good at fighting. You know where you can see my shadow? In your shadow. When they come out the oven, you need to cut them up. Slice has chocolate icing. The recipe is over there. Aussie Crunch has melted chocolate, Thanks for watching this video. Smash the like button with your iron tail and subscribe and tap the bell and turn on notifications. Goodbye everybody. I think this is the time. So I can do this. Yeah.